All right. Well, this chair looks like it needs to go in the trash, so we'll go ahead and throw this thing in the trash. Wait a minute. I think we can fix it. What do y'all think?
All right, so first off, we're gonna remove the bad torn up seat part. We're gonna leave the back because it is in good condition, and we can just spray paint that to the color of everything else.
All right, this one's in good condition. We're gonna leave that there. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut some strips on the table saw, and we're just gonna redo this in wood.
So I cut these strips at 3/4 inch, and it seems to be a pretty good thickness.
All right, so there's kind of a taper to this thing. So at the back end, we're gonna need a 18.5 piece, and up front, we're gonna need at least a 20.5. So there's a 2-inch difference in between there. So what we'll do is we'll just take our time and start cutting little pieces and go from there. And once we get all the pieces, then we'll go ahead and sand everything and get ready to screw it in.
So on this, what I did is I took the measurement and I cut 2 pieces at a time, and then I added a 1/4 inch each time, and that seemed to work out really well for this. Here I am using 100 grit sandpaper to knock off the edges and just give it a nice smooth finish. You could definitely go more than that, or I wouldn't go any less, but I would definitely do that. Here I am using some 1.5 inch self-tapping screws to go right into that aluminum, and it went like butter. And then I just would over screw it a little bit and recess the screws. All right, so this paint is designed for outdoor furniture, so it worked perfect. I was able to spray paint 2 chairs with this and just make it nice and easy.